Hey folks, it's me, Brian, and this is what I'm drinking tonight. I'm having Bird Dog Blackberry Flavored Whiskey. I'm presuming there's no real blackberry in it. Blackberries are pretty expensive, and this mini cost me, I think, $1.09 in a ABC store that I went to yesterday. So let's crack this one open, folks. And if it had blackberries in it, I would think the color would be a little bit darker than this, if it had any significant blackberries in it. So let's pour it into my whiskey glass. Get out my glasses so I can read the label a little in the next upcoming videos next week or so. I won't have these glasses. So it's 40% alcohol by volume. There's a picture of a dog. I'm assuming the dog is trying to chase a bird. No other information about the bird and the dog. Caramel color and certified colors added. So this color is indeed artificial to begin with, plus it's not even like black or dark blue to indicate true blackberries being in the product. And it says that it is bottled for Western Spirits by Three Spirits Bottling Company in Bowling Green, Connecticut. So folks, let's give it a sniff. Interesting smell. Now, I smell some fruit, but it's not really blackberry. It's more like black cherry and sugar. So I think they have an inferior product, whiskey product, that they dumped a lot of sugar in it with caramel color and a little bit of whatever replicates blackberry / cherry flavor. Alright, enough of the sniffing. Let's give it a taste. Prost, my friends. Now this is the product that is closest tasting to Robitussin that I've ever had in my life. It's kind of this. It's not big on flavor. It's not big on like a good mouthfeel. It is strictly cough medicine. It is Robitussin. I would not be surprised if Robitussin and this company that produces it is the same company, except that Robitussin puts a couple of other ingredients in it to rid you of your cold / flu-like symptoms, now cold / flu / COVID / RSV symptoms. It is over the top sweet, like sugary sweet, sugar candy, lollipop, like eating a lollipop for the last 30 minutes, sweetness, and absolutely no fruit flavor. No fruit flavor that is discernible. Maybe a little bit of blackberry, maybe a little bit. How would I rate this? Wow, this is one of the worst minis that I've ever had. But it's a mini. What can you expect when you get a mini that's flavored? You know, what can you expect when you get a flavored whiskey, period? Mini or regular size 375 ml or 750 ml bottle. I mean, it's whiskey. It's not supposed to be flavored artificially, especially with a lot of sugar and artificial color, caramel color, and artificial fruit flavors. What do you expect, right? You should expect a good product, and that's what you're not getting here. And even with its price notwithstanding, yeah, I give this like a D. With the price being a consideration, I give it a D minus, right? I don't even think they should charge $1.09 or whatever I paid for this. This Joker should be 50 cents or 25 cents. I mean, that's how bad this is. I mean, it's like the worst whiskey that's produced that has no color. Then they add caramel color, which is probably very cheap, and then whatever Robitussin uses, they put in here also to arrive at this blackberry flavored whiskey at 80 proof. Don't recommend it. Even the mini, I don't recommend it. Stay safe, stay sane, and I will see you on the next video. And I do have other minis, but the way this is going, I don't even know if I want to show the world them. I want to save them their embarrassment.